am going to introduce you the small liquid packing machine. The model number of this machine is ATM320L. It is suitable for packing water, milk, oil, etc. Let me show you the details of the machine. Look at this part. It's quantitative filling pump. It is a control panel for this pump. It is filling interval time, sealing quantity. Let's set the filling time here. Press set and up to our target filling time. And set again. Now it's done. It is our touchscreen control panel of the machine. We can set multiple languages here. Let's choose English first. Here is the production page. We can start the machine and turn it on here. We are going to pack 3 size filling bag, 25 quantitative filling weight of the oil. Let me show you how the machine works. And when we turn it on, the machine will work.